In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use Wix Groups step by step, even if you've never used it before. Wix Groups is a powerful feature that lets you build a community directly on your Wix website, where members can post, comment, and interact with each other. This is perfect for memberships, online communities, courses, or private groups. If you're looking to increase engagement on your Wix site, this is something you definitely want to set up. Before we jump in, make sure to hit the like button if you find this helpful, and subscribe to the channel for more easy Wix tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, you want to log into your Wix account and open your website in Wix Studio. Once you're inside the Wix Studio editor, look to the left-hand side where all your main tools are located. From here, click on the App Market. The App Market is where Wix provides all the official apps you can add to your site to extend its functionality. Once the App Market opens, you'll see a search bar at the top. Click inside that search bar and type in Wix Groups. As you type, Wix will automatically start showing related results. When you see Wix Groups appear in the list, click on it to open the App Details page. On the Wix Groups app page, you'll see an overview of what the app does, along with screenshots and features. Take a quick look if you want, then click on the button that says Add to Site. Wix will now automatically install the Wix Groups app on your website. After adding Wix Groups to your site, Wix will create the necessary group pages for you automatically. This usually includes a groups list page and individual group pages where members can interact. You don't need to build these pages from scratch, which saves a lot of time. Next, you can start customizing how your groups work. You can decide whether your groups are public or private, who can join them, and whether members need approval. You can also customize the design to match your website's branding, including fonts, colors, and layout. Once everything looks good, make sure to save your changes and publish your site. After publishing, visitors to your website will be able to see your groups and request to join or participate, depending on the settings you chose. And that's it. You've successfully added and started using Wix Groups on your website. This is a great way to build a community, keep users engaged, and add more value to your site. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Wix and website tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.